town of Fort.
Get everybody out, sir?
Chief's got the right idea. Let's mount up. Get the hell out of these caves.
Let's do this.
Let me drive.
Get me in range.
What the hell did you do? Have to keep moving. Second squad, we're coming through.
Everyone on offense! Now!
Go get him! Yeah! Conserve ammo. Run him over!
Got it.
We have to kill him. Stop! Stop! Stop!
Down! Getting closer.
Chief, still can't get the commander. Comms are a mess. Pelicans are scattered. Best thing now, get some distance between us and the base. Brutes are gonna be looking for survivors.
You're using a turret.
Phantom inbound!
Have some of this!
I repeat, my convoy's been hit. I've got wounded. We're on the Tsavo highway about east of Voy. Someone, anyone, please
Hit the dirt! I got him in my sight! Keep it steady!
Stop that crazy son of a bitch!
Gods will grudge our mission by uncovering the strength and homage to their glory. When the dust settles, we will all see what I already know. Here lies the path, the start of our might.
Commander, this is only Recon 111. The cruiser's above. They found
Say again, Recon? You're breaking up.
something in the crater, ma'am. Something beneath the storm.
Master Chief? Finally a good connection. Truth has excavated a Forerunner artifact. We have to assume it's the Ark.
Keep pushing to the town of Voy, Chief. Resupply birds will meet you in the next valley.
Damn it! Run everywhere we go! Kill everyone we see when we get there!
survive.
Great! Get to cover!
Watch it now. Pelican's coming in. Brutes have plenty of armor between here and Void, Chief. But this Warthog should help you punch on through.
Help me out here!
Shotgun!
Open her up!
dreadnought. A vessel that... That'll make us fine.
Lord Hood, we made it.
Music to my ears, Commander. What about the Ark?
Fully uncovered, sir.
And we don't have much time. Marines, the Prophet of Truth doesn't know it yet, but he's about to get kicked right off his throne. You will take our city back and drive our enemy into the grave they've been so happily digging. One final effort is all that remains.